So I'm here in Washington Square, but this amp, even though it has fresh batteries and even some nice guys lent me their almost done batteries, but still that were working, it will not turn on. Nope, does not turn on. Worked yesterday, worked last night. So we are trying to play natural singing and just the piano.
I guess it's a good thing.
Same pipe and the factory.
You look like me.
Where are you from?
Palestine.
Oh wow! Well, I'm playing like this because my amp doesn't work. I got all the way here, and then my amp doesn't work. So I don't know.
Maybe you get like bicycle. No charge?
I'm Alexa. You? Jacob, nice to meet you. Yeah. So you visiting? Are you visiting or are you a tourist here? Me too. Yeah. I'm from California. So like my sign says, I'm going all around America by train. Don't you worry about a thing. So I think I might pack up now because I don't want to blow out my voice. But there's a guitar center nearby. I may try to go there. I also have insurance, which I could potentially try to use to get a new amp. I also could call Sweetwater, which is probably where I bought this amp, and see if they will ship one out to me at my next address.
King Kong relax, King Kong no, King